आपको कुछ नहीं पकड़ना, आपने डालना है इधर और भाई यहाँ से जस्ट रनिंग, ठीक है? बस यही रखना है,
जकड़ के नहीं रखना, फ्री हैंड फ्री हैंड।
रखो लूज, भागना है, ठीक है भाई? रेडी हो? भागो 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 भागो। Beautiful people, welcome to a beautiful location, looking semi-beautiful. Right now I'm in Solang Valley. You know, it's I think an hour drive away from Manali. We're back in the mountains, back for a vlog. Yeah, right now we're going towards Sisu. We think there's some snow there, not snowfall but snow on the roads, so you can get that experience. You can see some mountains in the distance. They are still covered in ice and whatnot. And yeah, this place kind of looks like shit. I mean, I remember I came to Solong Valley, I think 13 years back, 14 years back. It used to be much less crowded, much clean. I mean, you can see just so many fucking people, dozens and dozens of cars and buses and everything is stopped there. Every 50 meters some motherfucker gets in the bus and starts selling to the people, hey, come do zip line, come do this paragliding and shit and everything. And I'm like, dude, I paid for my ticket to Sisu. Don't make me pissu or I'll piss on you, bitch. That's what's up. And yeah, I actually also did Kheer Ganga this time once again. Didn't record it much because of course the vlog is already up on the channel. by the time you're seeing this. So I thought I'll just, shoot some new locations. Yeah, you see people flying in that paragliding situation. We already did paragliding in Buntar. I think that was our first day, so we don't need to or don't want to do it again. Yeah, that was Kheer Ganga was like, you saw, they have actually shut down the Parvati Kund in Kheer Ganga forever. Because I think people used to get drunk there, do weird shenanigans, cause a ruckus, maybe even throw up in the Parvati Kund in Kheer Ganga. So that's why the locals told me they have shut it down. There's just these small pipes that you can stand under to, bathe in the or shower in the hot water, the natural geothermal springs. No sign of cold. In the night it barely gets cold. I mean, see, I'm not wearing anything right now under this jacket and I'm still sweating. My feet are sweating, even just in regular shoes and regular pair of socks. So where has the winter gone, people? Where has the winter gone? As you see more and more people, you see less and less of nature, less and less of snow, less and less of winter. That's what's up. Now we are going to Sisu. We're gonna go to Sisu Lake. Maybe there's a small waterfall there. We'll check that out, vlog that for you guys. And after that, yeah, we'll call it a short trip. Check that out. Stalactites, stalagmites. This that was fun. Let's wait for our friend. And welcome to Sisu, people. Look at all this ice. Look at all this snow. After days of trekking, sweating like a pig, sweating couple bullets. Finally, we're in ice. We're in snow. We're in Lahore Valley, Sisu. That is, and it's an amazing place. Ain't it heaven? Ain't it heaven, people? It really is. It fucking is. No, you can see it's just solid ice. It snowed, I think, 3 weeks back, 4 weeks, maybe something like that. But ever since then, there hasn't been any snow. So the things are frozen over and it's all ice. Oh yeah, look at that. Just fucking look at that. There's a house there. Yeah, that'd be cool if it was my house. But I would need probably like a chopper or a jetpack to get in and out of this bitch. Come on, check out this other view. Walking in snow is difficult, people. Walking in ice, even harder. See, things are slipping. There's this railing. It's so fucking slippery. It's like glass right here, polished glass. And you're walking on that. Good thing there's a railing there. We went quite high up. I think down there snow is kind of soft. People will try to make some snowman or something. I mean, it would be just a bit soft, not much soft, because yeah, things get pretty cold here. First time in this trip I'm feeling my hands freeze. Yeah, that's a feeling I enjoy. Partly, not to the point where I get frostbite and everything, but yeah. So now we're gonna take this zip line back, if you can see, right across the river, because everything is on the other side. Our village or the village itself, our stay, cars parking, you can see people just going flying there, right? So that's what we're gonna do. Yep. And let's go, people, let's go. And this is Sisu village. Pretty quiet, pretty chill place. Pretty nice views. Yeah, I don't see any eating situation further. Yeah. Let's find some food, people. Let's head back.